Hey man, say man, it's your boy Panda back at it again with another video. So right now, make a long story short, yesterday I made the video of me trying to get the truck to drive and adding a transmission fix into it, right? And at the same time I also sanded down the logo on the front. So right now I'm about to do a part 2 to that video, which this is the video. And I'm gonna end up spray painting the logo so I can be able to get it to look nice, you know, because right now it don't look too good, but I'm gonna make it look nice. My bad, I don't know what they doing right now. They doing some shit right now, but yeah, I want to do that real quick just to get it, because it is kind of cold outside. I don't want to be out here too long, and then my back fucking killing me now. I don't know why, but yeah, we gonna do that. So I already got everything propped up. I already got the stuff I'm gonna use. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to use. Let me grab the spray paint from the back real quick. Yeah. Hopefully it's enough. I don't feel like it is, bro. So hopefully it's enough to hit it with like a little quick 2 coats or some shit. But I'm just gonna use some black gloss spray paint just so it'll pop, because this is the same shit I used on my rear view mirrors on my car. Look, and like one of them came factory, and I believe it was that one that came factory, and we still end up spray painting it. But yeah, man, like it didn't come out bad, bro. Like I'm pretty sure if I didn't say nothing, people probably would have thought like I bought this at a O'Reilly's or some shit, you know. But we ended up spray painting them. But yeah, so I'm gonna be using some paint paper, some blue tape, it's just easy to get off instead of using like gray tape or some shit. And then like I said, I'm gonna be using. But yeah, bro. And then we got 2 white guys standing over there watching my brother and then put up Christmas lights in the front. I don't know why. And I'll probably show y'all that too as well, just so y'all can see. You know, we get a little Christmas theme.
Watching cigarettes burn out till all the neon gets turned out. I was so on fire for you, it hurts how 1,000 cigarette can burn out. Just watching rivers run down the side of my bottom, almost like it's crying my tears. Had the world on a string, and then I lost everything, and that's how I wound up.
You see how it looks like it's seeping down? It's not really the spray paint, because the spray paint is already fucking dry. It's the old paint. I should have just said fuck it and scraped it all off. But I was playing too. Like I was like, man, it's gonna work out, blah blah blah. Should have just scraped the rest off instead of doing that. But I mean, I think if I hit it with a couple more coats, I'm gonna hit it again right now because it's already dry because of the sun.
Watching cigarettes burn out till all the neon gets turned.
I haven't seen all my stickers on my car in so long, bro. 0 to 60 eventually. Whoa, not that one. She needs a wash too, bro. She needs a little wash. Her little bad self. Oh yeah. Bullet antenna. It's my baby right here. My thick girl. I need to get them both on the road again, bro.